This is at all the homes here at Margaritaville Resort Orlando as a safety feature. And the trick is you need to press the button before you open the door. And the more times you press it, the longer you have with the door open. So I like to press it quite a few times, and then you're able to open the door without a problem with the alarm not gonna go off. Here are the pool lights, so you can just turn this on here, and this will turn the lights on in the pool and spa, and then this is just for the patio lighting. So this gives you light in the pool for up to 1 hour at a time, and it's on a timer. And here's how you use the spa jets. You lift this up here from the bottom. You can turn and you can make it go up to 1 hour, and this is how you turn the heat on as well for the hot tub. So you crank it like this, make sure that's shut, and then you'll see these spa jets heat up, and they'll settle down as they continue to go on. And this will heat up pretty quickly. Over here are just the control panels, so these have nothing to do with the actual heat. Please do not tamper with these, as this will result in the loss of your security deposit, and this does not have anything to do with the heat, so please leave these alone. You're going to come over here. Now the best way to turn the heat on is to just run the hot tub for a little while, and then that warm water will drain into the regular pool. But what you do is the pool is set for 84 degrees, so you can see here it's set for 84, but it's at 87 just from the warm sun, and it does fluctuate up and down a couple degrees. So you can click up and down if you don't want it set as high, but it will default back to 84 degrees. And then the spa we have set for 102, which by default will stay at that amount, and it does go up. I've seen it go up to 104 depending on how warm the water already was or not. But moving these up and down, you do not really change the temperature. It is locked as we set it that way. So the best way to turn the heat on if you want the pool a little warmer is to turn the hot tub on for a few minutes and then let that water drain into the pool, and I promise you it does get warmer.